Here's another rain-soaked night with a wild wind for a guide. Both wings flapping, but no one learns how to glide. Right blames left, the left blames the right. But the bird's still broken in the storm tonight. I'm just a fish that fell off a bicycle, pedals turn in circle in puddles that feel brittle. I don't know how to ride it, and I can't remember how to steer. All I know is the water feels clearer than here. We're spiraling in circle, flags drenched in pain, crying colors across the spectrum, but it all sounds the same. Fingers point like bayonets, so nobody hears the song. We're out of a rhythm while we're hammering along. Left wing's wheezing, right wing's floored. Both keep flapping, but the bird doesn't soar. Worlds drift off balance in this tilted sky. The edges keep twisting as the middle ground divides. I'm soaked to the bone, laughing at the storm, trying to play my part, but the script won't conform. If reason's the fire and the rain snuffs it out, then now it's only sparks from the mouths that scream too loud. Spinning out in echoes, shouting through the rain, shadows of opinions, reflections of blame. Every wing that falters drags the body along. We've forgotten the silence where togetherness belongs. There's a fish on a bicycle, eyes are wide and lost, pedaling through puddles, forever counting the cost. Extremes keep swinging like a pendulum chain, but the center snapped off in the falling flood of the rain. So I'll sit in the shadow of the storm and strum a crooked tune, while the world keeps howling at a broken moon. If wings can't carry us and the fish doesn't ride, maybe songs are the only place truth can hide. I'm just a fish on a bicycle, laughing at the rain, wheels still going nowhere, but I sing.